engine.
Hey, John. Hey, John.
Yeah. Alright, now you know what to do. I know, you let go. I'll do it. Wanna come down and do it again?
Am I cleaning this?
Huh?
Am I cleaning this?
Yeah.
For new climbers doing this route, if you put a short draw here, your rope's gonna get pinned over this edge like this. Get a longer draw, and the rope grab won't be as bad past this. Or to skip it because it's super chill.
Yes. Lowering? Yep. Yeah, that was not yeah.
Ooh, that's super cool. Oh man. Oh man. There's so many jugs all over this thing. Ooh, that's X's, right? Yeah. Everyone's gonna be using that though. This looks. Let's do this. Man. Ooh, there we go. I think I got a little nugget. Well, you know what? I'm gonna tick this. So they at least know what to use. Because that's solid. That's super good. Super, super solid. It's so slimy. It's so slimy. Ooh. Oh, hi. All right, Valerie, give me some cleaning slack.